Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Thought I'd do a video showing you how to change a breech seal or a breech washer in an air rifle. So this is the seal that's here. This seal here. When that goes, the power will drop in your gun, the accuracy will go. And what happens is when you've got an older gun, the washers will sort of just crack and disintegrate, stuff like that. So I need to replace the one in this gun, this Webley, and I need to change the one in my BSA Lightning. So you can get the washers or the seals, the breech seals, easy enough off of eBay. This was about £5. You had two options, the new clear one and the black one. This is for this the BSAs. The bloke recommended getting the clear one. He reckoned they lasted longer. So what I'll show you is taking out the old ones and then putting in the new ones. So what I'll do now, I'll change the angle of this camera down onto a table, and I'll show you how I'm going to change these seals. Right, so all you're really going to need to do this is a bench, table, whatever, and possibly a pin. You can get these washers out with your fingers. You may need a pin, you may need a knife. This is just a little, anything with a little sharp tip to get the old seal out. Possibly a rag to clean any excess bits out. So the way I do this, you obviously want to make sure the gun is empty and all that. I don't even fully cock this, I just open the barrel and I just do it like this. You can get the seal out like this and get it back in, and there's no danger to you this way. Most guns would probably be reasonably safe if you did cock them, but I would not recommend doing that because there is a chance it can shut back up on your hand, even if you are the safest person going. So this is the easiest way to do it. So just have the breech open a bit. So there's the seal there. Get your pin, depending on how hard it is to get out. Just work it out with the pin, and there it is. You may need to open the breech a little bit more. That's it. And as you can see with this Webley, it's lovely and clean in there. So that's that one out. So I'll get the BSA Lightning, has already got the seal took out of it, and again I'll just show you this so you can see it. Actually this one's got an old one in as well, I thought I'd done this. So let's take this one out as well. So just stick the pin in, there it is out. They're easy really, you saw how easy that just came out then. So take that out, put that to the side. This one could do possibly a little bit of clean, but just have a look inside there. My sight's a bit big on this, but you just want to get rid of any dirt or anything, and then it's ready to put the other seals in. Right, so I've got the two new seals here. This is the BSA Lightning one. This will fit in the majority of BSA's rifles, and this is the Webley seal. This one is for a Webley Stingray. May fit in others, I don't know, but this one I know supposedly fits in multiples. So to put these in now, you literally just push them back into that gap. Let's do it this way, but see it slightly better. So there's the hole for the seal to go in, and literally just push it in, and that is it. That one's done. So now the Webley, again, it is simple enough. The Webley, you may want to just open it up slightly more. And on this one, actually saying that, on both of them there's a flat side and a rounded side. The rounded side is the outside, the flat side goes inside. So again, just place it in, and that is it, done. Just make sure it's fully in, fully seated in, shut the gun, and then that's it, they're done. And that is how to change the seals on a break barrel air rifle. Very simple, very easy. All you need to do is buy the seals, take the old seals out with a pin or a knife, clean out the hole, put the new one in. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you found this helpful. It's quite a simple, fast video, you know, not something difficult. Right, see you later. Right, before you leave, if you ever wanted to support this channel, you can now via Patreon or by shopping at Amazon.com and Gearbest. There's more info below if you need that. Remember, if you want to get full notifications for this channel, click the bell, and I'll see you later. Cheers.